You'll see only on 48. A Madison County man accused of murder is arguing that his actions were in self-defense. WAFA 48's Daquan Lee has the story of a stand your ground hearing held in a Madison County courtroom.
20-year-old Silas Harris is accused of shooting and killing Tavares Mason during a scuffle just south of Governor's Drive 2 years ago. But Harris's attorneys argue what led up to that shooting should exonerate him. At Wednesday's Stand Your Ground hearing, Harris testified he was driving on 8th Avenue where he saw Mason wandering on and off the road. He says he nearly hit Mason with his car. Harris says he got out of his car to check on Mason but was soon confronted by him. He says Mason then attacked him, even after attempting to defuse the situation. Harris says he had his gun on him at the time and that there was a fight for it during the scuffle. That led to shots being fired and Harris being hit. But Harris says he regained control of his gun and shot Mason. A Huntsville police investigator then testified that there were inconsistencies between what Harris and his girlfriend told them the night of the shooting and how they testified. In a recorded interview from the night of the shooting, Harris told investigators he could have driven away from the situation. Prosecutors argue Harris had every chance to leave but stayed and ended up killing someone he shouldn't have. Chad Morgan, Harris's attorney, says his client still had every right to defend himself, regardless of his decision.
But it doesn't mean you can't stop, because he has the right to be there. I mean, he's legally driving a vehicle on the road. The person that was in the wrong was the person walking in the middle of the road. And then he goes around that person hits his vehicle, and then he gets out to find out whether he hit him or not. So there's a lot of problems with this case on both sides, but I mean, in the grand scheme of things, my client was shot and the victim was shot, or the state's alleged victim is shot.
There's been no ruling on this hearing just yet, but Harris's attorneys have also applied for youthful offender status, and that hearing will be set for next month. Reporting in Huntsville, Daquan Lee, 48 on your side.